Hi, I'm Mladin, Senior Laboratory Technician at Dell Tech. Today, we'll be taking a look at two test methods used to evaluate cleaning products typically used on surface materials found in bathrooms. Bathroom cleaners are a unique product category, and they have two widely recognized and accepted industry standards to choose from. Whether it is for product development, claim substantiation, or submission to a third-party certification body such as EPA's Safer Choice, Green Seal, or UL Environment Ecologo, performance testing data is a key component of your product's ongoing success. The two industry standard methods for bathroom cleaner testing are ASTM D5343, the standard guide for evaluating cleaning performance of ceramic tiles cleaners, and HCPA, formerly CSPA method, DCC-16, for testing lime soap removal. What are the differences between the two methods, and which should you use to evaluate your product? In scope of use, both ASTM 5343 and HCPA DCC-16 are intended to assess the performance of product used on ceramic tiles or other bathroom surfaces to remove typically bathroom soils, commonly referred to as soap scum. Both methods can be used to assess the performance of powders, concentrates, ready-to-use liquids, foam, sprays, aerosols, pastes, and wipes. Both methods also have a similar format. Each test details a procedure on how to prepare soils, apply the soil to the ceramic tiles, and to age the soils. However, the composition of the soils and means of application differ greatly between both tests. Here is how the soil composition differ. The ASTM D5343 soil is comprised of 17 different ingredients blended into 3 pre-mixes. Soil preparation takes 3 days to complete and requires ball milling and filtration at certain steps and blending at 167 Fahrenheit. The final soil, commonly referred to as soap scum, may be stored for 1 year at 35 Fahrenheit. The HCPA DCC-16 soil is comprised of 14 ingredients to make a parent soil that is dried at 113 Fahrenheit. When dry, the soil may be stored at room temperature for up to 6 months. The final soil is commonly referred to as lime soap soil. Now, let's talk about the differences in applying the soil. In ASTM D5343, the soil is melted to 167 Fahrenheit and painted on 4x4-inch ceramic tiles using a mini trimmer paint applicator. It requires some practice to achieve even and consistent soiling on each tile. The soil load is relatively higher than that achieved in HCPA DCC-16. For HCPA DCC-16, the soil is suspended in a solvent, homogenized in a high shear mixture. This is a critical step. The soil is then sprayed onto the tiles to an air-dry target weight of 0.1 to 0.12 grams per tile. The tiles are then baked at 392 Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. We also have some differences to discuss when it comes to the cleaning procedure portion of these methods. ASTM D5343 includes specific directions to whether a product is applied to a sponge or directly to the surface of the tile, and how much product to apply depending on whether the product is a liquid abrasive, powder, or spray-on product. HCPA DCC-16, on the other hand, simply states the product be applied directly to the surface with a dwell time of 30 seconds. Both methods indicate that the soil tiles to be scrubbed with a washability scrubbing apparatus to ensure an even force and mechanical action. Cleaning performance assessment for both methods is determined using a colorimeter or gloss meter to perform instrumental analysis of soil removal. Measurements of the tiles before soiling, and after cleaning are used to calculate a 0 to 100% soil removal. As a rule of thumb, alkaline cleaners tend to perform better on ASTM D5343, where acidic cleaners perform better on HCPA DCC-16. Lastly, let's talk about why performance test data is important for claim substantiation. Under consumer protection laws, companies are required to have data to support even simple category claims such as clean soap scum. Increasingly, major retailers are requiring performance data for both private label and national brands as a prerequisite for shelf space. Both ASTM D5343 and HCPA DCC-16 are cited and accepted by EPA Safer Choice, Green Seal, and UL Environment Ecologo for the product performance component of the certification standards. Dell Tech has a solution for performance testing and claims substantiation of your products, including bathroom cleaners. Get in touch with us to discuss your product testing needs and any questions you may have.